Welcome back, GlowFit family. It's day 10, and today, we're focusing on two key areas: abs and stretching. This session is designed to strengthen your core and improve flexibility. There's no rest between exercises, so stay focused. If you really want to see progress, make sure to watch this video till the end and come back to it often to memorize the exercises. Let's get started. Abs workout, no rest between moves. 1. Lower plank. Let's start by holding a strong lower plank. Keep your elbows under your shoulders and your core engaged. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: focus on keeping your back flat, no sinking hips or arching. 2. Russian twists now. Sit back slightly, lift your feet off the ground, and twist side to side, touching the floor with your hands. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: control your movement, don't rush. Feel your obliques working. 3. Side plank, left. Roll onto your left side, stacking your feet and lift your hips. Hold steady. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: if this is too hard, bend your bottom knee for extra support. 4. Side plank, right? Switch to the right side. Keep your body in a straight line and breathe. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: engage your core to maintain balance. Don't let your hips drop. 5. Reverse crunch, lie on your back. Lift your legs and curl your hips off the ground, bringing your knees toward your chest. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: use your abs. Momentum slow and controlled is the key. 6. Leg raises. Keep lying down and lower your legs toward the ground, then lift them back up without touching the floor. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Press your lower back into the mat to protect your spine. 7. Side plank, switching sides. Switch sides every 15 seconds. Keep your body aligned and hold strong. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: this is the last ab move. Stay focused and finish strong. Rest for 1 minute. Great job! Take a minute to recover before we move on to stretching. Keep watching this video to master these exercises. It'll get easier the more you do it. To get the best results, place your device, laptop, mobile, or tablet in front of you and follow along with us. This way, you can stay engaged, perform each move correctly. Complete your 30-day bodyweight challenge with confidence. Stay consistent, push yourself, and remember, watch this video till the end and repeat it as many times as needed to memorize the movements. Stretching routine, no rest between moves. 1. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, press into your palms, and lift your chest. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: breathe deeply and let your abs stretch out after that intense core session. 2. Lower back stretch. Sit back onto your heels and reach your arms forward into a deep stretch. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: relax your shoulders and let your lower back fully release. 3. Knee fold left and right. Lie on your back. Pull one knee to your chest. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: keep your other leg extended to deepen the stretch. 4. Chest stretch. Stand tall. Clasp your hands behind your back and open up your chest. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Lift your hands slightly for a deeper stretch, but don't strain your shoulders. 5. Shoulder stretch. Pull one arm across your chest, holding it with the opposite hand. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: keep your shoulder down and relaxed, no shrugging. 6. Tricep stretch. Lift one arm overhead, bend your elbow, and gently push down with the other hand. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: stay tall and keep your core engaged while stretching. 7. Quad stretch. Stand on one leg, grab your ankle, and pull it toward your glutes. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: keep your knees close together for a better stretch and hold onto something if needed for balance. And that's a wrap for day 10. You just gave your core a solid burn and treated your body to some much-needed recovery. Come back to this video often to refine your form and memorize the exercises. Stay committed. GlowFit family, you're getting stronger every day. See you on day 11.